Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to reset the settings of this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to almost very bottom to find General Management. Now let's tap on Reset. And as you can see at the very top, we've got the option Reset All Settings. So this is the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it. And here, of course, we've got the information that your device will reset all the settings on the device except the security, language, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Settings. Of course, if you've got any kind of screen lock, you have to enter to confirm. And here we've got also the information that all of the settings will be reset to the defaults and cannot be recovered. And your device will restart. So no worries if it will be turned off for a while. It will automatically turn on after completing the reset operation. So simply tap on Reset, and right now we have to wait. So basically that's all. This is how to reset all of the settings in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.